We are at National Law Live 2016, the Careers Conference in Manchester, talking to Gareth Saynor, corporate partner at Nabarro. Thanks very much for talking to me, Gareth. In the panel session just now, we were discussing the law firm as a business. I'm just wondering if you can expand on the practical aspects of that, because as was discussed in the panel, it's not all about reading the Financial Times every day or knowing the share prices off by heart. It's a lot more practical and common sense than that.
Yeah, absolutely. I think for people looking to gain that commercial awareness, the best place to start will be in jobs that people have, maybe in the small business, the local cafe, whatever that is, seeing how that business works, how that business makes itself successful and becomes profitable, and that'll really help candidates, I think, in two ways. Firstly, understanding the firm that they are joining. Law firms are businesses themselves, understanding how that ticks and working out their place in that business and how they can help contribute to that business. And also understanding their clients' businesses. Because people really have got to be able to put their legal advice into their client's business context in order for that advice to be useful to the client. And that's essential to bringing to building strong relationships with clients.
I would imagine that true level of expertise comes with experience. But not that I'm trying to get a sort of cheat sheet out of you or a life hack to interviews and so on, but have you, what sort of level of commerciality and business acumen would you expect from a sort of entry-level training contract candidate in an interview?
You're not looking for someone to, as I said in the panel, present themselves as a candidate for the apprentice and suggest that they are the answer to all of the world's problems rolled up into one individual. I think it's demonstrating a basic awareness, a basic understanding, but most importantly demonstrating a desire to learn and to understand, not just a willingness to learn, but a real desire to learn. Some of the best trainees that I've ever worked with are trainees who have just not stopped asking questions. They're not embarrassed to admit that there's things that they don't know, there's things that they need to learn. They want to learn these things and they want to understand not just the task that they're doing or being asked to do, but how that fits into a wider context. So, yeah, I think demonstrate that curiosity as well as the commercial awareness sort of in the interview, and show why you're passionate about that and want to learn about that and will develop that through your career.
And finally, I just wonder if broader non-legal experience might be of interest to you as a partner when you're casting your eye over CVs and application forms. If someone's done interesting work in another sector that's possibly relevant and has transferable skills and so on, would you be interested in that? Is that worth putting on an application form? Would you want to
Absolutely.
talk about that at interview?
Yes, yeah, no, definitely. I think anyone who has that experience but isn't putting that on their application form is doing themselves a massive disservice. We look for candidates from a non-law background academically, and we look for candidates who've got work experience outside of law and can bring something broader to the firm as well. We're not looking for identikit, cookie-cutter people. We need that diversity, that range in our workplace for us to be a successful business. Because we have a diverse range of clients with a diverse range of needs. So yeah, I would hugely encourage people to put that experience on. Do not be afraid. It's a big plus as far as I'm concerned.
Great advice. Well, Gareth Saynor of Nabarro, thank you very much for talking to me.
Thank you.